Okay, so just got back from work again, home for a week. So let's see what we can do in the garage here. I don't have much time today. I've been out and about already. So we're just gonna do a quick and dirty one. This is, of course, the new 66. You're all familiar with it. If you're not, I just picked this up last week. It's a 66 C10 with a 283 automatic, air conditioning, blah, blah, blah. A lot of new good stuff. One thing I do not like is this rear bumper. I feel like it was, the dealer installed bumpers of the time. Each side has a couple of these screw holes here. Got a little bit of paint on there. I'm not a big fan of the whole kind of made up dealer kind of slapped together. Not my style. Nothing wrong with it if you like it. It's just not my style. Some people like these, some people like no bumper, some people like chrome bumper, some people like painted bumper. Whatever you want. Myself, I'm gonna get rid of this, and I'll show you how. Just give me a second. I'll get set up here. Okay, so here's the new bumper I'm gonna throw on there. Just an aftermarket chromie. I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. I've never used it before. Let me throw this down on the ground here. That's not good. Fuck. Okay, anyway. There's that bumper. Here's your part numbers if you're after them. Looks like this is the factory one. Maybe that's the one they sell it under. There's another one there. Who makes this? Looks like it's a Dynacorn. And their number looks to be that 111OD at the top there. Okay. Throw that over there. And then these are the bumper brackets. The thing is, I don't really know if I need these or not. This bumper has brackets. I don't know if they're factory ones or not. Oh, I would suspect. Yeah, these are, yeah. Those definitely are not factory bumper brackets. Those are fabbed up to work with this bumper. At any rate, I am going to try and protect this before I take it off. And then I'll pop these 4 bolts off and we'll get this guy out of here. And hopefully we don't do any damage. Okay, so I got the side loosened off. I was kind of afraid of this, but overall I don't think it's too bad. It can be touched up. I'm okay with that. And then same on this side. So a little bit of rubbing there, but nothing rusted right through. That's all I'm worried about. All right, I guess that wasn't so bad. Oh no, you're not recording. Oh yeah, you're recording. All right, so there we go. We got the old one out. Now we just got to figure out how the new one goes in. Let me line that up and we'll get some brackets going. I should note the brackets. So the brackets mount on this side of the frame. So the straight one comes this way and kicks out to the center. Same as that side, comes this way and kicks out to the center on the inside of the frame. On the outside of the frame is a guy that comes out and comes all the way back here, because these are 16 inches apart center to center, and this comes all the way out here, and it comes off of the front bolt hole right here. I don't know if you can see that here. So there's 2 bolt holes on the long one, this guy here and then one at the back, and this bracket comes off the rearmost bolt hole. I did have to give that a couple smacks with the hammer. You can probably see it here. Give it a couple of smacks to get it over a bit enough for that carriage bolt to grab. But it did. All right. I'll stick this in the middle somewhere. Okay, so that looks all right initially. At the end there kind of line up okay. The end there seems to line up okay. And then when we look up here, it doesn't seem to line up. I got a pretty big gap over here versus a very small gap over here. See that? I had this awkward gap all the way along. I had a bumper on one of these things, some copper ones. I'm not too sure what it's supposed to look like, but that looks terrible. I'm going to try and loosen up the bolts on the bracket and see if I can slide this in at all. I don't like my odds though. So yeah, it's holding tight. So take a look. Alright, she's on. And this is what she looks like. I still have too much of a gap here. See, I got about an inch. And back here, it drops to like 3/8 of an inch. So I think what I have to do is actually hollow out the brackets so I can slide back that inch and take that up. She's looking like rain out here today, so I don't think I'm going to get to it today. Actually doesn't bother me that much. Bothers me, don't get me wrong, but looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Not a big fan of this big gap in here, but really don't know what to do about it. If you do, hey, do me a favor and let me know. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, that's going to wrap up another one for now anyway. I will be doing a T5 transmission swap in this thing this week, so be sure to check back on that one. But this bumper install, completely done. Again, those part numbers are... I'll post them up. Don't worry about it. I'll post up the numbers right here, here somewhere for the bumper and for the brackets. Bumper was awesome. Brackets, in my opinion, not so awesome, but you can make them work. I got the brackets off Rock Auto, and I got the bumper locally here at a place called Rust in Pieces, but it looks like a generic Dynacorn kind of bumper. So there you have it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, and we'll see you on the next one.